Hi guys, I'm back for another video. I hope you're all doing well. I'm going to do a Christmas project today. So if you've followed me for a while, you'll have seen me make something similar to this on my channel. I think I did it for my Christmas in July collab video. But what I'm going to do is make some more reindeer, and I want the bodies to be white. Now last year I did make some white reindeer, but just putting this, and this pigment is amazing, don't get me wrong, but it gives like a really flat white. When I made my celestial stuff recently on the moons, I actually brushed the mould with this pearlescent silver white first, and it really just brought it to life. So what I'm planning to do for these reindeer, for a couple of them, well, they're all going to be white bodies, but in the antlers, like I've done here with the glitter, I'm going to mix up a variety of glitters. So I got these amazing glitter stacks from the range. Absolutely awesome. I'm not using the pinks and reds today. What I am going to do is do one that's more of a kind of greyish monochrome glitter with a bit of the snowy stuff in. Then I'm going to use some of the teal and the blues out of this stack with a little bit of this and a little bit of this silver. So it's going to be like a custom mix of bluish colours and a custom mix of greyish silver colours. So what I'm planning to do is brush the moulds with white for all the places that I want the reindeer to look white, and then the glitter will go in the antlers. So when I've mixed up my resin, I'll split some off, mix the glitter in with that, then the rest of the resin in the cup I will just add white. So I know that these moulds, each reindeer basically to get, well actually 4 reindeer is about 400 mils of resin. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to split off probably about 90 mil of white. If I have too much white, I've got some snowflake mould sitting here at the other side. So I'm going to make snowflakes as well, just not in the video. So that's my plan. So the first thing I'm going to do is brush these with the white mica. So it's going to be their faces and basically down their bodies all the way up to their boots. So it's going to be all the bits on here that are black are going to be covered in white mica. So I do run the risk of doing this that I'm going to have a bit of a harsh line. And I do quite like it when the glitter sort of travels down the body, but I just want to have a go and see how it turns out because I love that white mica with the white pigment. If it doesn't work, I'll know for next time. So basically doing it that way uses significantly less mica than if I actually mix it in with the resin. I don't have tons, I've only got this much, so if I brush it I use a lot less than if you trying to make a beaker of resin with mica powder. You're going to need a lot to get that sparkle to show through. So that's the plan. I'm going to find my brush, make sure it's clean, and then get the moulds brushed first, and then I'll mix up my resin off camera with my PPE on. Obviously I'm using the Let's Resin 2-part epoxy. It cures quite fast in this room because it's warm, so they should be ready by tomorrow. So yeah, I'm excited to make these. I've got a Christmas craft fair coming up in about 3 weeks, so I need to kind of get some more Christmassy stock built up so that I have some nice sparkly things to tempt people with at the craft fair. So let's get started. It's demold time. Currently 10 to 1 in the morning because that's like the only time I have to film right now. Work is so crazy. But anyway, I'm looking forward to seeing how these turned out. Obviously I've got artificial light on because at this time of night it is dark. I'm gonna do the blue ones first. Yeah, let's do these first. So these are the backs, and you can see that the glitter has crept down, and I actually really like that. I liked that when I did these the old way, but I'm interested to see whether putting the white mica on this has made them look better or worse on the right side. It's good that the back side is also pretty, because if these hang on a Christmas tree, you're going to see them from both sides. Especially if, like me, you have cats and they like to hit them and make them spin around. So it's kind of nice to have the wrong side looking pretty as well. This mixture of different glitters looks absolutely gorgeous under the ring light. So let's have a look. Oh yeah, that's worked really well. That white mica, it's a subtle difference, but it really does just make the difference. That is so pretty, and the glitter has still crept a little bit because of the way that they mixed, and it's super pretty. The fine glitter has kind of trickled down more than the chunkier stuff. That is absolutely gorgeous. Right, I'm excited to look at the silver ones now. The silver and grey. I'll bring you down to see the glitter properly in a second. Same with that one. It's really pretty. That mould has got an imperfection in it, so it always leaves him with a fuzzy patch on his bum. This one is my favourite of the 4 moulds, and that glitter is so pretty. So pretty. I hope this is coming off on camera. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. That's the grey ones. This blue is something else. Get a bit of sunlight tomorrow, I will film them in sunshine, then you can see them. So to finish them off, I will make some loops out of this silver cord. Silver matches all of them, so they already have loops on them, like holes, so I don't have to drill anything. So I'm going to make 4 lengths of this. Different. Cool, so happy with those. I will try to get these from a different angle in sunlight so that you can see the sparkle.